Hey, I'm back with another AQA A Level Sociology exam question. This is a Methods and Context 20 marker with the question, apply material from item C and your knowledge of research methods. Evaluate the strengths and limitations of using field experiments to investigate the effects of teacher labelling of pupils. This question requires you to recall both strengths and limitations of a field experiment, but you must also consider whether this method would be a good or bad method when researching teacher labelling of pupils. In terms of the context part of this question, you can use knowledge on labelling from the education topic, but you can also consider who is being researched, i.e. teachers and pupils, and also where they may be researched, for example in a classroom. The item in a 20 marker acts as a friend as it gives you suggestions on what you could discuss. Pause the video here to read the item. I'll continue in 3, 2, 1. One point you could discuss in this essay is how field experiments are conducted in the participants' natural setting. Therefore, for this investigation, the researcher may have to visit schools to explore teacher-pupil interactions, for example, labelling. This has its issues as schools have lots of gatekeepers when accessing classrooms or students. For example, there may physically be the school gates, there may be a school receptionist, a classroom teacher, and also DBS checks would be needed. They also involve an independent variable which needs manipulating, which can also take time. The lack of efficiency of this method can result in a smaller response rate, making the data less representative. Give yourself 7 minutes to now write one paragraph on the practical limitations of field experiments when researching teacher labelling of pupils. I'll reveal a model paragraph in 3, 2, 1.